Welcome to TTQ Company Limited, your trusted partner in cashew processing excellence from Vietnam. Today, we present our flagship 16-head cashew cutting machine, a masterpiece of engineering designed for industrial-scale processors demanding superior performance and reliability. What sets our machine apart is its remarkable throughput of 500 to 700 kilograms per hour, making it ideal for large-scale processing operations. But speed doesn't compromise quality. Our advanced cutting mechanism maintains an impressive broken kernel rate of less than 3%, while uncut nuts remain under 5%. These exceptional statistics translate directly to higher profits through improved whole kernel recovery. Built with industrial-grade materials and incorporating the latest technological innovations, our 16-head cutter delivers unmatched durability and consistent performance. This sturdy construction ensures minimal maintenance requirements and extended operational life. Transform your processing capability with TTQ's 16-head cashew cutting machine, where precision meets productivity and reliability meets results. Contact us today to revolutionize your cashew processing efficiency. Like and subscribe for more.